Most side hustles aren't really side hustles. They're second jobs that demand long hours and constant effort. But there are smarter ways to earn extra income without burnout. In this video, we're breaking down 5 lazy side hustles. Low effort, flexible, and beginner-friendly. These ideas focus on automation, leverage, and systems that work in the background, so you don't have to. Let's begin. 1. Print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand is one of the easiest ways to sell products online. The process is simple. You create basic designs for items like t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies. When someone places an order, a third-party company prints and ships the product for you. There's no inventory to manage, no packaging, no shipping. Once your designs are uploaded, the system runs automatically, and you don't need advanced design skills. Simple text designs, quotes, or niche-specific phrases often perform better than complex artwork. After the initial setup, this side hustle can generate passive income with minimal maintenance. 2. Affiliate marketing with short-form content. Affiliate marketing doesn't require a website or long blog posts. Instead, short-form content does the work. Using platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, creators recommend products and earn commissions when viewers make purchases through affiliate links. This works especially well for everyday items, gadgets, digital tools, skincare, or books. A single short video can continue generating sales long after it's posted. There's no customer service involved, no product handling, just content that works in the background. 3. Selling digital products. Digital products are one of the most scalable side hustles available. These include ebooks, planners, templates, checklists, or simple guides. If you have knowledge in any area, budgeting, productivity, fitness, or studying, it can be packaged into a digital product. Once created, there are no physical costs, no shipping, no restocking. Sales and delivery are handled automatically by digital platforms. This allows one product to be sold repeatedly without additional effort. 4. Renting out existing assets. This side hustle focuses on monetizing what already exists. Unused rooms, vehicles, equipment, or tools can generate income instead of sitting idle. Once listed on a rental platform, the process is mostly hands-off. Bookings are automated. Payments are processed. Returns are scheduled. There's no content creation or marketing strategy required. It's a simple way to turn unused assets into consistent income. 5. AI-assisted freelancing. Freelancing doesn't have to mean long hours. With AI tools, tasks like writing, basic design, data entry, or social media content can be completed faster and more efficiently. AI handles the heavy work. The final output is reviewed and delivered. Clients focus on results, not time spent. This allows fewer projects to generate the same income, making freelancing more flexible and less demanding. Final thoughts. Lazy side hustles aren't about avoiding work. They're about working smarter. By focusing on automation and leverage, income can be generated without constant effort. Start with one system. Set it up properly. Let it run. Extra income doesn't have to mean extra stress. Sometimes, the smartest strategy is doing less, more efficiently.